Ever feel like you're stuck in a rut, watching your bills pile up while others seem to be climbing the ladder without even a fancy piece of paper? Did you know that in 2025, the game has changed? You don't necessarily need a degree to unlock serious earning potential. In fact, some of the most in-demand skills right now don't require years of university. In this video, we're diving deep into the top high-income skills you can learn and master in 2025 without needing a college degree. We're talking about real, practical skills that businesses and individuals are actively seeking and are willing to pay good money for. Stick around until the end, because I'm going to share a resource that can help you get started learning one of these skills today, completely for free. Think about it. Maybe you've looked at job postings and felt discouraged because they all seem to list bachelor's degree required. Or perhaps you're already working, but feel like your income has hit a ceiling, and the traditional advice is always go back to school. The truth is, the job market is evolving fast. Companies are realizing that skills and practical experience often matter more than a diploma. You might be feeling frustrated, maybe even a little hopeless, wondering how you can break through and earn a higher income without spending years and a fortune on education. You're not alone in feeling this way. So, what are these game-changing skills? Let's break down a few of the most promising ones you can focus on in 2025. Skill 1. Digital Marketing Mastery. Think about every single business out there today. What do they all need? Customers. And how do they reach those customers in this digital age? Through digital marketing. This isn't just about posting on social media. It involves understanding search engine optimization, SEO, how to make websites show up higher on Google. It includes social media marketing, knowing how to run effective ad campaigns and build a community. It also covers email marketing, connecting with potential customers directly in their inbox. The beauty of digital marketing is that there are tons of free and affordable resources online to learn it. Platforms like Google offer their own certifications, and you can find countless courses on websites like Coursera and Udemy, often with significant discounts. Real story. I once heard about a guy named Alex who was working a dead-end retail job. He started learning SEO in his spare time using free online tutorials. Within a year, he was freelancing for local businesses, helping them improve their website rankings. Now, just 3 years later, he runs his own successful digital marketing agency, all without a degree. Skill 2. Web development prowess. Every website you visit, every online application you use, that's the work of web developers. As businesses continue to expand their online presence, the demand for skilled web developers is sky high. This field is vast, ranging from front-end development, what you see and interact with on a website, to back-end development, the behind-the-scenes magic that makes it all work. You can start learning web development through online bootcamps, interactive coding platforms like Codecademy, and countless free resources on YouTube. The key is to build a portfolio of projects to showcase your skills to potential employers. Book recommendation. If you're interested in getting a solid foundation in web development, I'd recommend HTML and CSS, Design and Build Websites by John Duckett. It's a visually engaging book that breaks down the fundamentals in a really accessible way. Skill 3. Data analysis expertise. In today's world, data is king. Businesses are collecting massive amounts of information, but they need people who can make sense of it. That's where data analysts come in. They use tools and techniques to identify trends, patterns, and insights from data, helping companies make better decisions. You can learn data analysis skills through online courses, focusing on tools like Excel, SQL, and Python, which has powerful data analysis libraries. Platforms like DataCamp and EDX offer structured learning paths. Skill 4. Skilled trades: plumbing, electrical, HVAC. While often overlooked, skilled trades are consistently in high demand and offer excellent earning potential. Plumbers, electricians, and HVAC, heating, ventilation, and air conditioning technicians, provide essential services that are always needed. These careers typically involve apprenticeships and vocational training rather than traditional degrees. The demand for these skills is often very local, meaning less competition and consistent work. Plus, many of these roles allow you to eventually start your own business. Skill 5. Video editing and production. Guess what? With the explosion of online video content, like what you're watching right now, skilled video editors and producers are in high demand. Businesses, YouTubers, and content creators of all kinds need talented individuals to bring their visual ideas to life. You can learn video editing software like Adobe Premiere Pro or DaVinci Resolve through online courses and tutorials. Building a strong portfolio showcasing your editing skills is crucial for landing gigs. So, what's the big takeaway here? The landscape of high-income opportunities is changing rapidly. While a college degree can still be valuable for certain professions, it's no longer the only path to financial success. These high-income skills I've just outlined are practical, in demand, and crucially, they can be learned relatively quickly and affordably, without years of formal education. The real secret isn't about having a piece of paper. It's about having valuable, sought-after skills that solve real-world problems for businesses and individuals. The power to increase your earning potential significantly is more accessible than ever before. Now, I'm curious, which of these high-income skills sounds the most interesting to you? Let me know in the comments below. I'm really interested to see what resonates with you. And if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more insights into building your financial future.